Hello. I thought I'd make this quick video to tell you what's going on in my life, why my video has been so delayed, and I haven't been responding to comments as quickly as I used to. But I'm doing all right. I'm actually spent a lot of time in Burbank, of all places. Haven't been sightseeing so much, doing a lot of hikes. I've been staying with a thru hiker I met last year. We met in Northern Oregon just before Cascade Locks, actually, and then she took off, and then I took a couple of zeros actually in Portland and kind of threw us off. But I met her again at Anza-Borrego, and then we hiked a bunch at Idlewild and around there. And anyway, so it's going well. So I've been staying with her since May. So we've been going on a lot of hikes though. She's way faster than I am. You've probably seen her in numerous videos just here and there real quickly. But we've been seeing each other for a while now. I've been pretty much living at her place for the last month. So I've kind of ditched the car thing for a while. And it's been really nice. We've gone on a bunch of hikes though, and we even went on an 11-day road trip with a rental car northeast up through Monument Valley, Four Corners, Mesa Verde National Park, Canyonlands National Park, tons of national monuments. We were joking that she's using me for my national parks pass and I'm using her for a place to stay to shower every day. So it's a lot of fun. I thought right now I'm right by a mountain nearby Burbank. I thought I'd come out here because it's a lot quieter than within the city itself. And I'm actually going to go grocery shopping and do laundry later. I'm the housemaid while I'm there, or butler, I guess. But yeah, it's been great. And just this weekend, we came back from Yosemite National Park. We managed to get a lottery for Friday to go do Half Dome. So we did that, got a wilderness permit, stayed at Little Yosemite Valley Friday night, and then Saturday night we hiked into the wilderness with the same permit and stayed out there. Hiked up Clouds Rest, and then came back. It's been quite a nice trip. This whole month and a half has been really nice. So from that trip going up northeast to the national monuments, I do have at least 6 videos I need to edit. And hello. So from that trip, I have at least 6 videos I need to edit. And from this Yosemite Valley trip, I may have 1, just because of Half Dome I didn't record much because we were just going up the cables. It was a lot of fun. And so hopefully from now on the videos will be more regular, at least 1. I'm going to try to do 2 a week again, just like it used to be. So I'll be slowly trying to catch up on videos, and hopefully I can get ahead far enough, because it's going to be a busy month coming up after this. And we're planning on doing a few more mountains and peaks this year, or this next month. We did Cucamonga Peak, Mount San Antonio, Mount Wilson. We did Mount Baden-Powell and another peak right next to it. We've been doing peaks and mountains like crazy. There's a lot to do, but there's going to be even more to do coming up in the next month or so. So I'll keep making videos. And yes, I have not slept in my car for a month and a half, but we slept in the rental car when we were doing the trip up northeast to here. We drove probably over 1,200 miles. I forget the exact number, but it was quite a bit. She drove most of it because she enjoys driving, and I enjoy staring out the window. So it works out really well. I will get back to you later. For now, I gotta upload the latest video and go do some grocery shopping and get home, do laundry, sweep, and a bunch of other make the bed chores, usual. I'll talk to you later. Bye.